League boxing.
Uh-oh. I think he's smacking me.
Stand up and get him. Wiggle, shake your head back and forth.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you KO'd him. He's gonna get up though. Dwayne had to box at West Point when he was a freshman. You better watch out, your face is getting smacked.
Oh, we ran it out quick.
We're bad. We hit them low.
Uh-oh.
Did he get you?
I got this on video.